Last year, $452 million of sales took place on that platform for small farmers with 3-acre plots, 2-acre plots, and 5-acre plots. Many of whom are coffee farmers as well as strawberry farmers right here in the hills of St. Andrew. The good news is that for the year so far, we have done nearly $300 million of sales. That is 3/4 of what we did in 2023. It tells you that the ordinary people of Jamaica are truly inserted in the tourism value chain. So February just finished, and I got the figure last night. $110 million of sales in 1 month from that Alex platform. I'm proud that we are now able to say we are reducing imports because we are creating the products here. We are doing one other thing. People say tourism money leak out. You hear them say that Jamaica not making the money, it's foreigners make it. Well, we're stopping that, because when Jamaicans produce the goods that the tourists consume when they come here, we don't have to buy it from abroad. So now we are looking to make 50 cents out of every dollar stay in Jamaica, because you are going to be producing the thing that the industry wants.